Debbie, and today we're here for one more video of reviews. We're gonna check out this cool stamp kit. Let's see what is inside. Ooh. So many tools. Perfect. And we have a guide. We got a superhero rescue from MeandMine, story about muscle. So we're gonna learn about muscle and we're gonna build two cool toys. So one is, I'm gonna show the spoiler here. And the second one, another spoiler. So let's go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What happened? Okay, let's do one more time, Brito. Oh, keep recording. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa! That was fun! What do you guys think? Is that cool? Super cool. So that's a superhero rescue. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it down below the website. And also they have another kit in here. So I'm going to build in the next video. I'm having a giveaway on my Instagram. It's Kill Debbie. Check it out and enter to win. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch the next videos and leave a thumbs up for me today and let me know in the comments what the next toy you want to see in the next video. So see you later, alligator.